All right, now we are shifting our focus to another big story which is coming in at this point of time. Is the Congress busy fighting the Congress? Is the Congress split to begin with? Rahul, is he under fire by his own MP? Well, these are the allegations coming in from the side of the BJP. BJP is citing a Congress MP and saying and claiming that it is the Congress MP who has questioned Rahul Gandhi. What did the Congress MP say? He said that some people who don't understand politics are made prabharis. There are some people, the MP went on to say, who give big slogans talking about Jitni Abadi, Utna Haq, Rahul Gandhi slogans, and saying that wrong decisions are taken in the party. Using this particular sort of speech by the RSMP, BJP has launched a sharp attack on the Congress. Let's listen in to what this RSMP has had to say, and also to how the BJP is reacting. First, let's listen into what the BJP has had to say.
Congress party is once again in Tukde mode. First we saw in Karnataka DK Shivakumar versus Khadge versus Siddaramaiah. Then we saw Tharoor versus Kerala Congress. Then we saw Manish Tiwari versus Punjab Congress. He has said how no questions or advice is taken from him while making changes in Punjab Congress. And now it is Bihar Congress in Tukde mode. Akhilesh Singh, a senior leader, has said that Rahul Gandhi's team members came to Bihar. They had no experience. They removed him, and had they kept and continued with him, they would not have been reduced to 5 or 6 seats. It's a direct assault or attack on Rahul's team. Nobody has faith or vishwas in Rahul Gandhi's leadership.
All right, so that was the attack coming in from the side of the BJP. Viewers, let's also listen into that reaction, the reaction of the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress, which is the genesis really of this entire controversy. And then I'll go to my colleague Niyamika.
जिनको राजनीति से कोई मतलब नहीं, कोई वास्ता नहीं, वो लोग जाके प्रभारी बना दिए जाते हैं। ठीक है, वहां नारा चला, जिसकी जितनी भागीदारी उसकी उतनी हिस्सेदारी। बहुत दिन से हम लोग सुन रहे थे, जगदेव बाबू के जमाने से, कर्पूरी जी के जमाने से, और लालू जी भी वही कर रहे थे, मुलायम सिंह जी भी उत्तर प्रदेश में वही कर रहे थे। कुछ हद तक नीतीश जी भी वही कर रहे थे। उसी काम को बढ़ा चढ़ा के कांग्रेस करने लगी। वहां क्या हुआ?
My colleague Niyamika is joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, we heard the reactions of the Congress MP, which has led to obviously this entire controversy, the BJP's attack. But has the Congress at all reacted to, first of all, what this MP has had to say, and also give us a context into the statement which has been made?
Well, Congress versus Congress is not something new. In fact, during the time when the assembly election results have come out for the state of Bihar, at that point in time also we have seen that many of the senior leaders, many of the MLAs as well as MPs have raised an issue which was related to the state leadership. They had also made this very clear that the leadership of the PCC present and the state in charge was responsible for the poor performance of the Congress party in the assembly elections that were held in the state of Bihar, and that is what is being stated by the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress party, Mr. Akhilesh Prasad Singh, as well. But interestingly, this time it is not just a question which he has raised upon the state in charge, Krishna Alavaru, but in fact he has also gone on to say that this entire idea of jiski jitni hissedari uski utni bhagidari has completely failed in terms of the Congress party's performance in the state of Bihar. He has also given a reference that the same idea, the same pattern of the caste-based politics was being started by Lalu Prasad Yadav. In fact, Mulayam Yadav as well as Nitish Kumar has also done the same. But this is the kind of same path which was being followed by the Congress party. But the experiment which the Congress party has done has completely failed in terms of numbers, because the Congress was being able just to get 6 MLAs in the state of Bihar. In fact, he has also given proper facts and figures regarding this entire issue, in which he has stated that the higher castes have got more number of vote in terms of the state assembly elections. In fact, this was basically a question which he has raised upon the idea which was being given by Rahul Gandhi himself. It was his idea only to promote more of the OBC faces as well as the Dalits, backward classes in the assembly elections in the state of Bihar. That hasn't gone down well with the Congress party's leadership as well, because this is Akhilesh Prasad Singh, who is also the former PCC president, he is basically, raising question that why such kind of decisions have made by the Congress party, which has failed completely on the ground. They were not being able to get votes from the people of Bihar. In fact, they have also stated that certain allegations were being leveled against the state in charge as well. So all of these issues
are there, but obviously these allegations have given ammunition to the BJP, which is attacking the Congress and claiming the Congress, quote unquote, in BJP's words, isn't tukde mode. War of words intensifying. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all these details. Viewers, we're slipping into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.